Lakes, forests, and prairies are found across Minnesota. Lake Itasca, in the northern part of the state, is where the Mississippi River begins. The Mississippi River is the second largest river in North America. Forests cover much of Minnesota. Some of the state's forests are in the Boundary Waters Canoe Area and in Voyageurs National Park. Rolling prairies cover the southern half of Minnesota. In northeastern Minnesota, the rocky Superior Upland region lies near Lake Superior. To the east is Minnesota's highest point, Eagle Mountain. It is 2,301 feet, 701 meters above sea level. Minnesota has cold winters and hot, humid summers. The average winter temperature is 10.5 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 11.9 degrees Celsius. The average summer temperature is 66.3 degrees Fahrenheit, 19.1 degrees Celsius.